Good morning everyone. How are you all? I am your Ami ma'am. Today in numeracy space I am going to teach you number name 12. In previous sessions you have learned number names 1 to 11. So today first we will revise all the number names 1 to 11 and after that I will teach you number name 12. Let's revise number names 1 to 11 orally. Children, in the first box, how many balls are there? Yes, there is only one ball. And the number name is ONE1. In the next box, there are two balls. So the number name of 2 is TWO2. Now there are three balls. THREE. 3. Now children, in the next box, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the number name of 4 is FOUR4. Now there are 5 balls in the first box. The number name is FIVE5. Number name of 6 is SIX6. There are 7 balls in the first box. So the number name of 7 is SEVEN7. Now there are 8 balls in the next box. Number name of 8 is EIGHT8. Now there are 9 balls. So NINE9. There are 10 balls in the next box. 1010. TEN10. Children, can you count the number of balls? Yes, there are 11 balls. ELEVEN11. Now let's learn number name 12. Let's learn number name 12. Let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 strawberries. TWELVE 12. Children, please repeat the number name of 12 with me. TWELVE 12. Wow, there are so many toy cars. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 toy cars. TWELVE 12. Children, please repeat with me. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. 12 balloons, 12 chocolates, 12 caps. Children, today you have to write in your classwork book page number 68, number name 12. So let's start writing number name 12 in classwork book. Children, today you have to write number name 12 in your classwork book. Open page number 68 of your classwork book. Let's trace number 1 first. Join the dots. Again for number 2, join the dots. Number 12. You have to write in both these columns number name 12. Now I will show you how to write number name 12. First we will trace this number name. T W E L V E 12. Now in the next line, T W E L V E 12. 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 So children, in this way on page number 68 you have to write in this second column also. It's worksheet time. In this worksheet, you have to circle the correct number matching with the number name. Now, let's first read the number name. The first number name, THREE, 3. So children, on the right side I have written 3 numbers, 7, 3 and 6. You have to circle the correct number according to its number name. In the same way, you have to circle the numbers for the remaining number names. Hope you have understood this session and keep learning number names 1 to 12. See you in session 2. Bye-bye.